Hello and welcome back. Hope you are good, doing well. So we are having euro dollar setup. Euro dollar is setting up for next bearish wave all the way back to that previous low up to 112, or in longer term more downside up to 1718. So if you have seen my weekly market outlook analysis, then I hope you remember that we are expecting euro dollar to continue its bearish trend this week all the way back to that previous low. So let's look at the previous chart. So last week when we have seen that the euro dollar broke out that previous top and went higher for our bigger correction, daily correction, all right? So we were expecting it to drop from that top and continue its bearish wave all the way back to that previous low. So price, found its top over there and setting up for, correction over there at the current price, we can say, okay, and setting up for a drop on lower time frame. So if I'm going to look at this 4-hour time frame, so you are having that correction, the correction which I was talking about in the weekly market outlook analysis. All right, so you are simply looking for that correction to break down. Okay, break down and continue to keep dragging lower all the way back to this previous low. Okay, so we may see some price action over there at that trend line. So once price reach over there, watch it very, very closely. If it hold, then short-term profit taking. And if breakdown sharply, which I'm anticipating, then continue to keep dragging lower all the way back to that 112 area. Okay, so what is the worst case scenario? The worst case scenario is that the correction can change, okay, and price can test that double top, okay, and then can drop. So when you are going to get into the trade for the downside, just keep that thing in mind. Okay, so there we can see that correction is building nicely over there on this 1-hour time frame and trying to break down. So you are looking this to sharply break down and continue to keep dragging lower more downside all the way back to the bottom. So thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.